Hello, my name is Greg Armstrong with Coldwell Banker F.I. Gray. So you're thinking about doing a ribbon cutting. We just did one ourselves and had over 400 in attendance. Here are a few reminders on how to draw guests to your open house. Remember to ask. You can use social media, printed invites to selected customers, friends, family, and past customers. Use email invites as well. You can't ask enough. Be sure and repeat the ask weekly and start at least 3 weeks in advance. It is key to start well ahead of the actual event to ensure success. You will want to have some refreshments and ask other businesses to provide gifts or baskets for the drawings. You will find they are excited to do this, and it will allow your guests to sign up for these prizes, and you will have all this recorded information to send them thank you for attending notes after the event. I'm repeating the word ask and invite because this is where many businesses fall short. At the actual event, we asked people to post it on social media, and they did. That helps the excitement of the event live past the ribbon cutting itself. Also, if you can tie your event with another celebration, I recommend it. We tied ours to both Flag Day and we made it a mask burning party. I hope you can make yours as exciting and as much fun as ours was. Good luck.